What's up, chat? How's it going? I'm hoping that that eventually my internet fixes itself because I've dropped 15% of all frames so far, which is kind of insane. I don't know why. I'll have to like reboot my router or something after this. Kind of cringe. Brain Gamer, thank you for the 14 months of tier 1. Appreciate it. I don't know. I think my internet's fine. Yeah, I have 31 megabytes of upload. 700 of download. But Twitch is absolutely shitting itself for some reason. Well, that's fine. Today, chat, the plan is simple. Ludwig's doing a heart rate monitor stream later today. And I was like, yo, let me make something for this so it's not lame and boring. And so let me show you. Before I jump into coding, let me give you a quick rundown on how to make a good pitch, chat. Have you ever wanted to work with a streamer? Well, the best way to do with that is to have a good pitch. So let me show you exactly what I sent to Ludwig for this project. You'll be impressed. And if you ever want to work with any streamers, just keep this in mind. I know. Pretty crazy, huh? You really have to put in the effort, and people can tell. If you put in the effort like this, people can tell, and it'll pay off in the long run. So this is, yeah, Ludwig just gets me. It's true. Ludwig just understands. And that's how it should be. There's a synergy between the streamer and the developer. And then Figma, actually I used a little known program. It's inspired by like artists of days old. They had this art medium where you would like take a brush and some like pigments. They called it painting. And then they named a program after that. It's kind of crazy. So yeah, this is the idea for the stream. Instead of having like a boring old, just a like thing where the beat's going like this, and then it just goes like that again. That was actually wait, holy shit, I'm an artist. Instead of that, I want to have a history of what the heart rate was over time, and then a dotted line that indicates the like target heart rate, right? Because how he's gonna do it is he gives you $100 if you make his heart rate go above some threshold. So if we have this history and then this threshold, it'll be instantly visible. Where, like, if it went over, and it'll be really cool, I think. Ricky Corona, thank you for the 13 months of Tier 1. Appreciate it. Wait again, I will be much better than... Okay, so this is a website, of course, and Ludwig told me he's using Pulseoid for heart rate monitoring purposes, and I believe I checked this, and there should be an API. Yes. Thank you for the 2 months of Prime, Tiggy. TJ. I don't know. Appreciate it. Okay, so I have to have it uses OAuth, it looks like. That's fine. I can get that from Lud. And then how do I do it? Read heart rate data. This method allows reading the latest heart rate of the user. It is reasonable to query this once per 500 milliseconds to receive real-time heart rate data. POG. Okay. Look at the sky, I'm still here. Wait, there's a WebSocket, though. That's better. Retry logic with back off, sure. Yeah. Yeah, this is pretty good. We'll use this. We'll use this WebSocket. But before we do that, we have to actually have the front end set up, because I'm not going to be able to get this data until Ludwig actually has it set up. So let's start off with making the user interface. What should it look like? My designs in the past for Ludwig have been the subathon timer, which look like this, which is just like sleek, right? And then the Q&A paintball stream, which was just like a white box over the bottom. The Big Nasty, thank you for the 18 months. Appreciate it. I kind of like this, though. We could do something like this, like a solid color background. We need to put the graph on it. Line here, and then probably big text in the middle. That's like 124, because that's what his heart rate is. What color should it be, though? Maybe red? Like a deep red. Because, like, the heart is red. Could do this. And then, of course, the text would be white. Ooh, wait, I love that, Klaus White. Yeah, something like... What? No. Something like that, and then... This... Why can I not? There we go. Something like that. Ooh, yeah, that looks sick. The line would probably be black. Maybe white. Yeah. Yeah, I like that a lot. What about red text over black like in the movies? Yeah, we could look for heart rate monitor. Hospital. There we go. NBP, that's blood pressure. Electrocardiogram, that's heart rate, right? So it's usually on a black background, I suppose, and it's a some color line. I like a black background. Yeah, I like a black background. That's doable. Okay, where are we? So let's just make the background white like that, just so we can preview it. And then let's add a new component, and we'll call this monitor. Background, probably something like 111, very dim gray. Width of like 600, height of 400. And we'll put that down in the page like so. Okay. Let's give this a bit of a margin and a border radius of like 3, maybe 5. That looks pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah, I don't give a shit what I used because I'm using my own version. That's gonna look cooler and be better. Okay, so we could use some kind of graphing library for this. We should use some kind of graphing library for this because otherwise I'm going to have to code that by myself. React Spark Lines, I think I used at one point. This might be what I used for the subathon. Yeah. This is exactly what I want. Yes. This is what I want, because then I can make this color the red that we have, and then I can make the background of the whole thing the blue, so that the red goes over the blue, and then we have it working. So let's install this library. Let's make a new component. We'll call this graph. And I need some data. Can I use sample data? Is that like exported by the library? No. So like 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we'll put the graph inside here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Looks like it should look, I guess. But what we want to do is we want this to fill the entire screen, basically. Let's do a bit of this. That did not work at all. Let's do a bit of looking into why that didn't work. I see. Let's just try passing the width directly. Oh no, that doesn't work at all. No, we have to have the you have to have this in pixels. What? Why would that make it 600 by 600? Wait. It says by default it's responsive, so that means by default it should fill the entire thing, right? It fills the width but not the height? Why would it do that? If we make this SVG, if we give it width 100% and height 100%, okay, that stretches it weirdly. So we don't want to do that. The limit 20 is telling it the max is 20. No, it's literally not. It's telling it that there's 20 data points at maximum. Wait, I can set a static width and height. Because I know that it's always going to be in a 600 by 400 box. And there we go. Okay, perfect. I want no points. How do I disable the points? Bum. Spots. Dynamic. Oh, I can just say size equals 0, maybe. Nope, apparently not. You guys are... I'm not listening to chat. This is insane how unhelpful you guys are. Huh, that's interesting. Which one of these is making the points appear? Not that. Maybe it's the fill opacity? No, I can see the points there. Very tiny. No, the points are still there at that point. I just missed them. Oh, wow. Sparkline's this is exactly what I need for the heart rate thing. That's perfect. I don't understand why there are points. Still. Are there any points here? No, there aren't. Is it the stroke none? Is that what does it? No, they're still there. They're just super, super tiny. Maybe there's some other property I can put here. No, only color or style. Disable tooltips. What are you talking about? It literally doesn't exist. Can you... Oh my god, I just can't look at chat for this, I guess. If you guys are all going to be cringe. Still there. It's got to be the fill opacity that makes them actually visible, right? Yeah. But if we look at this one right here, is that a actual SP? Yeah, it is. If I zoom in really far on this, can I even see the lines? No, I can't. Just Alone Ginger, thank you for the 3 months of sub. Oh my god, I need to turn off chat or something. I keep glancing over, and every time I look, you guys are saying completely unhelpful things. Let's see if there's any issues on this. This might just be an old library. Maybe this does this prop object? No, it doesn't extend anything. Does the curve have points? That's the question, I guess. No, it doesn't. Okay, we'll just use this sparklines curve then, and then this will be like smoothed. Yeah, published 5 years ago. Okay, we got to find a different thing for this. Rewritten in TypeScript and modern React patterns. Okay. This is like the same one. But that's still not great. I mean, these are all clones of the same library, so I'm assuming they're just gonna have the same issues. Here's the GitHub issue on it. Yeah, I could do that, I guess. That's insane. That's insane that this has an issue that was introduced 5 years ago. Maybe this one has it fixed. Imagine. No, it doesn't. Okay. I gotta find something else. React recharts. Oh, come on. You gotta give me an example here. For a fucking chart library? You can't have a chart library and then not give a live demo. That's cringe. Just host it on a website or on a static website. It's not that hard. Ooh, this looks spicy. Itch Benitch, thank you for the Prime sub. Oh, examples? Pog. Oh god, so much stuff. Why is this so small? There we go. No, I think I've used this before. Come on. Is this no website? Okay, their website's down. Nice. Very PogChamp. Why? Why does this have to be so hard? Wow, look how hard that was to make a fucking link to the demos. Oh, that's cool. Not quite what I'm looking for, though. Oh, this loaded finally. Okay. There we are. That's what I'm looking for. Sparklines. Basic. Okay, is the sparklines one to hide the circles? The problem with that is that this doesn't fill the entire page. Look. The line has a tiny gap here at the top and the bottom. I guess I could make the SVG like a couple pixels bigger. Like I could make it 404 by 604. But that's fucking cringe that I have to do that. I gotta do this. No. But this is cringe, right? This is stupid. I shouldn't have to be doing this just to get this to work. Okay, that lines it up there. Off the bottom, I should be like 608. I mean, that's fine, I guess. Then we hide the things entirely. Okay, there we are. It's still fucking not perfect, though. That's crazy. Like, goes up over at the top by a tiny bit. Actually, I think I could fix that, but the problem is at the bottom. Why would changing the width? I hate this, chat. I really hate this. And that seems fine, I guess. So this is 5 points right here. Let's copy this 4 times to get to 20. This is cringe, chat. This is so scuffed, right? I don't want this. I don't want to have to deal with this. I mean, I guess I could fix it probably now and then it'll be fine. Maybe. But I'd rather just use something that works. That's what I'm doing, XRuby, and it doesn't work. Yeah, let's install this shit. What? This is gonna break? Fuck, chat, I just want a chart library. I just want a chart library. Did I have to do this myself? Could have probably done it by myself in this time. Yeah, I can do this by myself. All right. Oh, I need to install Apex charts. Ah, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh. There we go. Fuck. No. Capital graph. Okay. God, no, I'm not using Apex charts. Never mind. If it's this hard to set up, I don't have high hopes for it. I'm going to do this myself. Okay. Let's craft ourselves some heart rate history. What is the average human resting heart rate? $6,200 beats per minute. Lower cart rate means more efficient cart, better fitness. Okay, so Ludwig's is probably about 90 based on this info. If I had to guess. Um, Sheesh. What's the number? Did he ever say a number that he was gonna have like be the target that you get $100 if he gets over? I'm going to make it configurable, but I need something to fill in for now as a placeholder. He said 111. Okay. So let's forward some data. Let's say his rate goes like 80, 81, 78. And then, ooh, scary video goes to 90, goes to 105, goes to 120, goes to 120 or 115, and then back to 118, and then down to like 100, 95, 80. Joe Morgan, thank you for the 3 months of Prime. Appreciate it. No, we shouldn't, Booba Juicer. Shut up. I saw your message the first time. I didn't respond to it. Min... I guess min is just based on the current data, huh? Let's say the target that people are trying to get him to is 115. For now. Just for testing purposes. So, they want to generate either an SVG image or a SVG mask or something. Let's try just an SVG image. And we want to use a polyline I've seen. Now, how does a polyline SVG work? Oh, this is so easy. Why wasn't I doing this from the start? So I got this data, and I got my target. So I need to know the minimum value. Which is just going to be... Stop suggesting charts, or I'm going to start timing people out. Backseat coding is no longer allowed. Yeah, I know. Leave that for later. Hey, what's up, Yeti? Actually, been 19 months. Almost 2 years. It's crazy. My phone got an Android 12 update. It's pretty nice so far. I want the max value of the array to be, or of the thing to be this. Thank you for the Prime sub, Anti-Kazuo. Appreciate it. If anyone else has a Prime, this is the time to check because I haven't streamed for 2 weeks, almost. I'm sure some of you have Prime subs they haven't used on me. Like Pick is Thick, thank you for the Prime. And Cat Ring, appreciate it. Okay, so this SVG, I want the view box to be 0, 0, 600, 400. I want. Well, that's just gonna make it fill the box, right? Yes. Okay. So this line, this poly line, I need to now generate. So let's just do some testing. What if I make the points 0, 0, and then 100, 100? Stroke red. Okay, looks like that. What if I make it 100, 200? Okay, so 0, 0 is the top left. Yo, Captain Tornsey, thank you for the 3 months of tier 1. James Shepard, thank you for the 14 months of Prime. Appreciate everybody subbing. Appreciate it. Let's just do a quick overflow hidden on this to get rid of that little thing up there. All right, nice. Actually, we'll put that in later, just so we can debug now. So how do I fill a polyline? Because what I want to do, right, is I want to trace out the points that I'm going to use, right? So I want one point to start right here. And I want one to go to like the start of the graph, and then I want to go like boom, 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 and then here, and then down here, and then back here. And then I can fill this entire area in, and then that's what we want. So to do that, let's just start at the very beginning, which is the bottom left. And we know that that is 0 for X and 400 for Y. Okay, and now we want to go to the position of the first data point. Booba Juicer, I warned you. Please do not backseat code. I'm not in the mood for it right now. So now I want to loop through each data point. Want to use polygon instead of polyline? Probably true. Although I would guess that both work. So 0 to the data.length. I want to do points.push. And then the X position would be X times 600 divided by data.length. And then the Y position would be the Y position here would be, we know that there's 400 pixels. We know the minimum and the maximum. Thank you for the 17 months, Pearls. Appreciate it. The Y position. We know the data point. So that's data X. Now I want to scale this to be between min and max. So I want to do data X minus min. Look, that already almost worked. Data.x minus min is the 0 difference. And then I want to do divided by min or max minus min. And then times 400. There we go. Okay. And I just want to invert this. So can I just do times negative 400 plus 400? Ha ha ha. Easy clap. Data length minus 1 should get me to the edge, right? Yeah, there we go. And then I want to add one more point for the bottom left, bottom right. There we go. There's our line. There's our polygon, I should say. And let's give it a bit of a threshold on the bottom as well. Nice. Easy clap. Literally easy clap. So I don't have to try. Let's just do a sanity check. 80, 81, 78, 90, 105, 120, 15, 18, 100, 95, 80. Nice. That's exactly what we put in. Okay. I do not want a stroke. I want a fill of red. There's a pixel out of place. Holy shit. Oh, it's because of the stroke. It's because of the stroke. Stroke width 0. Fuck, it's not because of the stroke. Well, that works, I guess. No, it doesn't. That's cringe. QPixel, thank you for the 18 months of Prime. I guess it won't even be visible on the stream. Okay, do a bit of that. Constrain it. And I want the background. Well, I said the background would be black, right? Okay. What now? I guess we can put the big number in the middle and make a new component. Call this big number. All right, so big number. I want this to be probably absolute. Center it like so. There it is. Big number. Okay. Okay. Let's put a bit of fucking drop shadow on this, I guess. Looks fine. Is there a delay between keyboard? Let me put my mic right up to it. And then... I don't know. You tell me. Go back to the original pitch. This is not the original pitch. The original pitch was this. Oh yeah, I need the line. It's so fun. Does this work? I need a stroke. White. There we go. Is that... I can't tell if that's above or below the red. It's above. It just looks kind of... Wow, that's actually weird. But what do we want this to be? We want it to be target. I have an idea here. That'll come into effect later. Use memo or use effect? Use memo. In fact, I don't know why you would think it was use effect. Target Y would be... I mean, it's just this exact thing. Instead of data X, we do target. Watch the water unfold. That worked perfectly. I want to do something like get Y, get scaled Y. It's cleaner. Okay. So this doesn't look good yet. We need to make it look good. Bit of a yoink. And a scroink. Already looks much better. Oh, I can do this now. I wanted to do this. Weird. Weird. Oh. This gives me ideas. Yeah, but I want to do this. I think this is cool. This is nice. Let's make it 50 though. No, let's make it 20 though. Let's make it 20 is fine. Well, maybe 10. Yeah, and then stroke width of like 5 again. And this should be stroked maybe red. No. What if it's like brighter red? No, maybe white's fine. All right, let me set up something where I can get a better idea of how it's going to look. So let's do a bit of contextualizing. Okay, so I need this history to be a state. Okay, do a bit of this, and then a bit of, oh, I forgot Max. Oh god, I deleted some stuff by accident. I was trying to think it would be better to just do this. Just to make sure it all gets updated at the same time. Okay, min would be math.min. Okay, wait. Okay, const new history equals this. History equals new history. Min is math.min new history minus 5. Max is math.max new history target. I guess we can put target state.target. We can put state.target in both. Target is still state.target, and that is it. That's all I should need. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. Okay, now I don't need this or this. And then I can do const min max history equals use context. No, I guess I just use const data equals use context data context, like so. Every time data updates, I want to do data.history.length, and I want to do data.min data.max data.history.length minus 1 data.target data.min data.max. That is all I need there. I do need to do this. Okay, is this working? Maybe. We have some NANs here, not a number. So there's some kind of issue with the data context. Let's take a look. Huh. I don't know why there was an issue with this. Like something is being divided by 0. Let's wait real quick. Let's do the big number. Okay. The big number is updating properly. The only thing that's not updating properly is the graph. Oh, it's because I'm dumb and stupid. There we are. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Of course, it's not really going to look like this, because that's not how the human heart rate works. Let me do a bit of this, though. Yes. Or maybe... but. No, I don't want but. Surround is fine. Obviously, this is too much data. So we only want to show the last. How long of the last do we want to show? The last 30 seconds? Last 30 seconds would be 60 points of data, which is very easy to implement. Nice. I kind of want to do something like this, though. This. I want this to be darker. Maybe like that. And then something like this. Why can I? Oops. That's too. No, that class is way too much. I guess I could do a very dark red, maybe. Very dark red. That's not bad. Let me do something like this, though, real quick. There you go. That should be much more realistic. That makes it only change by a bit. It is synced with the music. This is much more realistic. And it looks pretty good. Uh-oh. It's getting dangerously low there. Did I fuck this up? Is that why it keeps decreasing? It is a pretty constant slope of decrease. He is flatlining. Uh-oh. This is really bad. I think he just died. Okay, that should work. Okay. Oh, scary video just happened. Ooh, spooky. Okay. This is pretty realistic. Let's more. That looks pretty good. I could do something like, oh, here's a genius idea. Lower the line just barely, slightly, so that it's very clear that if something is meeting the line, it's going over it. Or you can just do that, and then it's very clear. Uh-oh. That does not look good for your heart. Oh, God. Nice. Maybe a slight red background when over target. Yeah, I did think of that. Oh, I could do that. I could totally do that. Wait. Rectangle. Pause champ chat. I want pause champs. Wait. Oh, I see. Shit, doesn't work. Hmm. Wait, this rectangle doesn't even work. Why is it 0 by 0? Oh, do I have to do like width and height? Wait, pause champ again. This works this time, for sure. Oh, we can't actually tell if it works until it goes above the line. Pause, champ. So close. Unfortunate. Come on. Okay, prediction. Does it work? Yes? No. 30 seconds. $30 seconds or until it goes above. You have 30 seconds. You have less time to submit now. Your predictions. Very few people say no. That's crazy. I'm glad you have so much faith in me, but this is a 41 to 50 payout. Okay. There's a big bet. Okay. Oh! Haha! Believers win. Perfect. Blue, the color of believers. That's exactly what I wanted to happen. That was the fastest prediction I've ever done. Nice. Yeah, I like how this looks. Not necessarily blue, but something like it. I want this number to be a bit bigger. Bit bigger. More like much bigger. Okay, let's play around with the colors. Let's try this. This looks pretty good, actually. Let me lower the target so that it's a bit easier to catch it when it goes over. Does that look good, or should I make it like pure white, maybe? Pure white. That's fine, maybe. I could do pure black. Could do cyan. Oh, I could go with Mogul Moves colors. True. It's actually smart. Where would I find those colors? In the fucking... Wait, they changed it. And I can't even go to ludwig.gg anymore because it's now the winter story. Cringe. You guys really think the black background is better for this? I don't know if I like it as much. Ant Dog, thank you for the 12 months of tier 1. That's a year. Yeah, I don't like the black background as much here. Can I do a stroke black on this? Red. Oh, the polyline. Oh, you can't even see the stroke there. So we could do some kind of inversion. Good navy blue. Yeah, we could go with a blue, I suppose. That looks pretty good. I do want to look at what it would look like on top of a video. Okay, that is not the right one. It literally, okay. No, I want one in your actual room, Mr. Wig. Not that one. This one. Oh my god, why are you doing all your intros from a different place? There we go. Okay. That is what it would look like. I think the black background is fine. It doesn't need to be a light themed thing. I think this is fine. I think the white on top is not good. I actually don't like the blue that much. I think I'd prefer the dark red. Yeah, I think that's a lot better. The white is not good. I need a different thing for the white. That could be... this. I don't think so. I don't think that's good. No. No. Could do black, I suppose. No. How about bright red? That'll not look good. I could do a very, like a small adjustment on the bottom. I think that looks fine. It looks pretty good. Use a complementary color. Okay, can I like start with a color? No. Complementary. Oh. So it likes this nice blue-green. But I don't like that. I don't like the idea of it being a completely different color. I think it should be red. Or I think it should be the same as the bottom. In fact, I think this looks pretty good. As looks go. There we are. What about... Let me do this real quick, chat. This is not what I'm... What? Oh. There we are. I think that looks pretty good. Maybe we put a border around this. I wonder... Wait, that doesn't work. With the text stroke, huh? I guess it does. Does it? Wait. Can't even tell. Oh, it's the box shadow. Or the text shadow. There we are. I don't love the transparency on the number, I gotta say. Maybe if it was like 0.8. Wow, imagine if it was... If the whole thing was gray until it went over. Let me send this to Lud real quick, though. It's probably asleep. Oops. It's not possible to have more data points per second. That's limited by the device that captures them. Although... I have done this before, and what project did I do this in? What project did I do this in? What project would have this? Fucking. I don't know. That's fine. I'll just do it like this. Hold. That's much better. Whoo, actually, that's spicy. I'm just like gonna open his eyes. His heart rate's too high for that. See, it's 115. Okay, this is Pog. I like the animation of the number. I think that adds a lot to it. Makes it a bit less abrupt. But what I want to do next is what? Well, I do want to get feedback from Mr. Wig. Is it possible to smooth out and animate the spark line? Good question, actually. The answer to that is yes, everything is possible when you're coding. Unless P does not equal NP. But this is possible at the very least. I like that idea. I think it's probably worth implementing. Okay, so if I want to animate this, how do we do that? CSS transitions, no shot. Let's see. Be somewhere in here, I guess. No. Either we do it via transforms or we do it via transforms or via moving the actual points. Transforms is probably better. Const dist between points equals 600 divided by data.history.length minus 1. And then I do like, I guess I could return the transform. Okay, wait, hold. No, this is the rate at which it's gonna pull. This is twice per second. That's what's recommended. Sometimes I want it to jump, sometimes I don't want it to jump. I could use firmware motion. I could do like controls.start and then. Oh yeah, actually, wait. I have an idea. No, that's not what I want. I guess maybe it is. Start, and then animation. Can I do start animation? What? How do I, like, make it instantly jump to a value? Set. Well, I want set to be... Is there, like, an instant set? Gotta look at the documentation for this. Oh, you can pass it into here? Okay, wait. This actually is... This makes a lot of sense. I want to animate X. I want to animate X to be dist between points. But I want the duration of this animation to be 0. And then... Actually, I could do this. Wait, is this not a... I guess I could do on complete. Now I want to animate X back to 0, but I want the duration to be 500 milliseconds. And I want the easing to be linear. Now, I'm not sure how I plug this X thing um into something. How do I use this motion value now that I have? Okay, it doesn't render. It doesn't trigger a render. I want to... Oh, I know. Wait, actually, no. I make a box. No. Motion.g. Put all of the polygons and polylines inside that. Animate. X. And there. I was really hoping that would just work. Fuck. Maybe I can do that. No. I'm on the verge, though, chat. This is gonna work. Oh, wait. Hold a second. Do I need to change this just to 0.5? Not a number. Ah. I see what you did there. You divided by 0, you little bitch. There's actually a pretty simple solution to this. Which is go to this thing and set this to be new array 60.fill 80. Okay, I can fix that. Why is this printing out there? Pause. Get rid of this. Put this back at 0.5, I think. Restart everything. I think this works now. Yes! Actually, wait, that worked perfectly. Holy shit. The only thing is the left edge. Let's go. Dude, that was a masterpiece. I can't believe that worked. I don't know how we deal with the left edge. How do we deal with the left edge? Multiple ways to deal with it. We could stretch it and then cut it off. We could extend it. No, that would look bad because we need to save the previous value. The best way is to just stretch it. So this would be like so. That's funny. That did not. This is going to be a nightmare to get working. I'm not sure what the exact problem is here. What is the dis between points? I have an idea. 10.1. That's not very clean, is it? Easily clapped. Let's go. Actually, const dist between points equals 600 divided by 59, right? Yeah. There we go. There we go. Oh, this is sick. This is actually sick. Like, no cap. This is very PogChamp. How did I do that? Magic. Now, a couple things I need to do left. Set up the API. Set up a thing where you can change the thing. The target value. Oh, that was a very low hard rate right there. Do we like the green or the white line that goes through the entire thing, or do we want the bottom below line to be like red? Oh, not that red. That red. Not this red though, but oh red. I mean, it could be this red, I guess. Or maybe we do that. That's good actually. Yeah, I like that a lot. Red top, white bottom? No, I think you guys are not correct there. I'll ask my mom. That'll work. She gave us the squabble advice. I think I want to do like a little eensy weensy. Something like that, maybe, to indicate the target. Boom. Looks good? Good. I think it looks good too. Ooh, yeah, actually, I think it does make sense to have the number be of a different color if it's above the target. If it's greater than or equal to target, text ref dot current dot style dot color. Go below. I can't tell if this works or not. Oh, it doesn't work. Maybe a bit of this. Yellow. Bright yellow. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Maybe like less yellowish, more orangey, I guess this would be. That's not very contrasted. I think I like the yellow. Yellow's fun. Oh, wait a second. Also, wait a second. That should be better. Now this actually matches up with where the line is. Oh, that's so cool. Ha! This is sick. I'm glad we're doing this. I think this is a lot better than the than just having like a number. I think this looks sick. Now data. Ludwig is probably asleep in. Ow. I dropped my phone. Let's work on the control panel real quick. How are we gonna do that? Probably just a page hosted on the same site with access code in the query string or something. I guess I could make the whole thing require a query string. ctx.query access, and we'll make a .env. Okay, if this is not equal, then we want to do return not found true. Not found. But if I do question mark access equals this. Okay, still not found. I probably have to restart now that I added the environment. Nice, I think. I can't tell if it worked because there's nothing on the page anyway. Admin. Okay, there we go. And if I make this anything else, nice. Okay, I'll put that on the index page as well, because we don't want anyone to be able to view this either. Okay, but the admin page, I have to, fuck, how do I do this actually? Oh, I know exactly how I'm going to do this. Well, no, I don't actually. I need to know. I could use fucking Firebase. Um, like that would give me a live value really easily. Or I could just include the value as part of the query. Because we need to make it from the back end. Um, I should just use Firebase. But Firebase, I have to get. I wish I could just use Cloudflare workers. What I want to do is store a single value. I can't store it in localhost because it's one's on OBS and doesn't have a shared localhost between them. I should just use Firebase. It's fine. It's a bit of setup, but it's fine. Wait, I guess wait, hold up. I could use Cloudflare workers for this. I guess the only problem with that is I have to set up a whole other project for it. But kind of worth, I think. Um, why would you name it backend 1? Just name it fucking backend and over at this folder. Cringe. Oh, it's named. Is it named? It's named backend 1 everywhere now. Nice. I want to use this fucking webpack. Okay, never mind. Never mind. I have to fucking copy this for my own thing. You're wrong, Kyle Dampler. Sorry. Okay, heart rate, back end. Okay, here we are. I need to do that. Sorry, I was just trying to set this up real quick. Okay, there we go. What I want to do is I want a environment variable and I want this to match the one from here, I suppose. If rec dot headers dot get authorization is not equal to env dot access token, forbidden. But I have to do this. Okay. I'll return a little unauthorized. There we go. Okay, perfect. And we'll remove this for now, because I want to be able to test without having to put in this header. But what I want to do here, I either want to be setting the settings, which would just be the target thing, or I want to be getting the settings and the current data, I guess. So let's do that real quick. This is super, super simple. If the method is get, target equals env.data.get target and the basis we'll just set to 100 for now. Okay, there's the target, and then const value equals fetch, not this dot fetch, just fetch. And I'm fetching the Pulsoid API endpoint, which is just this. authorization. And let's see if this works. Can we just use this token to get example data? Unauthorized. No, we can't. Also, I forgot to do this correctly. Okay. So we're gonna need Ludwig to wake up to get his API token, and the target is 100. So we'll do else if rec.method equals put get the JSON. Thank you for the Prime sub, Emery's Sentry. Appreciate it. If body dot target number await env dot data dot put, and what did I call it? Target, probably. Yeah, put target body dot target dot toString. Okay. Is that it? Any other settings I need to do? Settings I need to set? Not really. So I have an idea. If I forget what this is, remind me that I had an idea, chat. I won't remember what it was. But I need to first do a bit of this. There we go. Okay. Now in the data context right here, okay, I guess I'll do the idea right now. So I'm gonna do let latest value equals latest response. And this would equal target is 100 and value is 80. And then on the interval, instead of doing this randomness, I want to do, this should not be constant, latest response dot value here. Oops. New target there. Target is new target, and this is now pog. And now I also want to do fetch process.env.next public backend dot. I need the header, and this would be location dot search. Fucking use the router. Router dot. Is that? And then I want to do latest response equals JSON like that. Easy clap. Okay, so that should do a fetch, and this should also make sure it's always updating on a constant interval because this is synchronous. Hey, what's up, Carson? When are you playing Celeste? Is that today? Okay, big error, big error. What the heck? Oh, I need to restart. Oh, I need to do this. Oh. Is it options or option? I don't know. I assume it's options. Yeah, thanks for the 3 months of tier 1. Appreciate it. Okay, this should work now. Maybe. Fuck. Did I not pass the authentication token? It's null. Why is it null? Did I misspell authorization? Wouldn't put it past me. Must be this, right? Oh. No, wait. What? What? Oh. Wait, this needs to go right here. Oh, there we are. Oh, fucking... Why does it need to do a pre-flight for a GET request? I don't know, there's a thing. But there we are. That works fine. In fact, I should be able to tweak the admin. Well, now I have to make the admin panel work now, and then we'll finally know if it is working or not. So to do that admin page, we just need a quick little text box on here. Center align that. And then a quick little text field. Store the target. Default is, well, we actually don't know what the default is. We have to fetch that. Just do a bit of a yoinkage. Yoink this. That should be good. Set target JSON.target. Is this Egoist, the song? The song is Undress Me. It's up here in the top right. This is just Spotify autoplay. Per Schlaps, I will listen to this song next. Whoops. Alright, that looks good. And I just need to make the button do shit now. Frostbite Miko, thank you for the Prime sub. Appreciate it. That's a very awful idea, K-Arctics, no offense. Did I name this update? I did name it update. Good memory. I just want to do disabled equals changes, not changes. An island to thyself. Okay, so I want to do method is put body is What am I putting? I'm putting the target. Like that. Okay, now for the moment of truth. Cringe. I need access control and allow methods as well. Fucking access control your ass. Huh. Huh, it did not work. Why did it not work? Why is this getting? Oh, it's... Need to move this out of here. Love camouflaging under strife. Or other matter. Arms over matter. Okay. So we got this. We got this. Oh, I need to do dot. No, I need to make it a number. I forgot about that. Why did that not work? Wait, it is 120. I just didn't update it, I guess. Okay. Why? Why does this not work? I actually don't... I don't understand. The real wee lad, thank you for the Prime sub. No, you guys are wrong. This is not a scope thing. It's the scope is out here, so it should be accessible throughout the entire interval. Perhaps I have to do... Poor man's ref. That's the difference. What is this big error thing that's happening? No, it should not be a use state. You guys don't understand what's going on here, which means every time you suggest something, it's really annoying for me because I have to read it and then be like, you're wrong. I know exactly what I'm doing here. I just don't know why it's not working. Why is this not a number? It's undefined. That's why. There's undefined values in there somehow. Oh, it's because I'm dumb. Well, it's because my IDE didn't scroll over enough that I could see that. Yeah, see, it's working now. Now, this I don't understand at all. I guess I'll just use a ref, like an actual ref. Oh, of course. This is actually not returning a number because it's insane and stupid. What I need to get is my RNG code. I'm just going to move that to the back end for now. Oh. The scariest thing to do when coding. Undo until you find the thing you need and then redo. And know that if you accidentally press a single key, you lose all your progress. Successfully executed once again. Nice. I think this is now 100% working. Let's change this to 100. I think I just misclicked there. That's why it didn't work instantly. Let's change this to -20. Let's change this to 115, 14. Nice. Working. Okay, now I just need to get me a little bit of a what have we here. I need to get an authorization token from Luddy. I need to create a application somewhere. No, I'm not using the WebSocket. Because this gives me a good interval. Murders of murderers living in fear. Cat, thanks for the 18 months. Oh no. I have to contact them for this. Or I can just get Ludwig to do this thing. What the fuck is a bro plan, dude? Oh. Funny. Mine's better, though. I bet theirs isn't animated like this. But I can just get Ludwig to start a trial. He doesn't need to pay for it. LMK when you're online, so I can get your authentication stuff. Okay. This is done. Works. Everything else I need Ludwig for. And I need to do some other stuff offline. So I think I'm going to end stream here. Pretty short one, but productive. I wonder if I should play Elden Ring when it comes out. I'm gonna raid fucking, I guess, Pokemon. She's playing Wordle. Looks like. I think she played Squabble once. She's on my Squabble list.